everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. In my today's video, I will tell you about the keyboard settings in your device OnePlus 10 Pro. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 10 Pro you want to do the keyboard settings, or if you want to change keyboard settings, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the keyboard settings in your device OnePlus 10 Pro. Let's watch it.